सांगला त्याप्रमाणे या काहीच गॉन क्लियर झाला. The law and order in this state has collapsed, and it is not due to the inefficiency of the police, but it is due to the interference of people holding high positions in this present government. The attack on our president's car and the defense taken by the MLA against whom the complaint was lodged, that why his wife had to lodge the complaint when the wife was in the car along with his children. Who was more frightened? Was Joseph Philip more frightened, or she had more concern, being a mother? And was it not a duty to lodge a complaint that her life, moreover her children's life, was in danger, who were traveling in the same car? Law and order collapse आम्ही म्हणतात, opposition charge. परिकर फोटिंग म्हणटालो हांव, लास्टाक सुभाष वेलिंगकर त्याचा कलिगान चालता फोटिंग म्हणून. तेन्ना तुमकां मातशें कितें तरी दिसलें. आमी सांगता आसतना सगळीं फोटिंग पण हो पुस्तक उलयता, हो विरोधी पक्ष म्हणून उलयता. पयर रुलिंग आमदार मायकल लोबोन कालांगूट पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर मोर्चा आयलो टू मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. इज दॅट चार्ज सिरियस ऑर नॉट? हो कसलो ड्रामा? रुलिंग MLA is demanding that law and order taking a morcha. You can't meet your chief minister, who is the home minister, who is responsible for the law and order. These are dramas. If it is not a drama, and if that morcha is not supported by the BJP government, the BJP party should suspend him.